So I've just reached the balance of 1 million coins in Cointiply, which equates to $100 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to cash all of these out now, but having already uploaded a how to withdraw coins from Cointiply video, which is currently linked above, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. Now I'm transferring the Bitcoin to my Crypto.com exchange account, as they currently offer a 2% bonus paid in CRO for all deposits made into the account. At the top here it asks to check your email to approve the transaction. Off screen, I am opening my Gmail account on my phone and tapping the approve button inside the email. That's the transfer now complete, and my balance of coins is now showing 0. So here we are 10 hours later, and the Bitcoin has now been paid into my Crypto.com exchange account. My deposit bonus has increased by 3 CRO, which at the time of posting this video, 1 CRO is valued at 38 cents. The Bitcoin balance you see here is everything I have earned through Cointiply, which is worth $327 to date. You should try my referral links in the description to earn Bitcoin for yourself, plus take advantage of the Crypto.com exchange 2% deposit bonus for the first 30 days of opening your account.